Position the stem and stem cover correctly, then tighten the screws on the stem cover. Slide the body mount block and right brake handle onto the handlebar. Tighten the screws and then secure the instrument to the mounting bracket. Slide the multifunction button and left brake handle onto the handlebar, then tighten the screws. Slide the left and right handle grips onto the handlebar. Insert the quick release lever into the folding mechanism and tighten it.